Yeah, hi there, and these comments are for RX, and I am Michael, the founder, owner, and the materials writer for all of your lessons at the 7-step system to pass the TOEFL IBT. You're also one of my students in the English language program at California State University, San Bernardino, and you completed one of my integrated speaking practice tests.
The topic of listening passage is how a glacier is formed. First step is remnant snow accumulates in the same area and
Something you said I didn't quite hear. Hold on.
First step is remnant snow.
That word, between about 6 and 8 seconds, I can't make out what you're saying there.
Accumulates in the same area and transform into ice. The snow bury and compress every year.
I would say the snow buries and compresses every year. So use that third person S. Don't forget, sometimes when you have a word that ends in S and you add S on it, you have to create a new syllable. So it buries, which is more Z sound, and then compresses.
Forced to recrystallize, forming grease and snow density more and more compact. After 2 winters, the snow turns into dense water. In the end, the large ice crystals become compressed that has less area. Because of gravity, the glacier begins to move.
Okay, so overall not bad. I think that you covered most of the important areas, I think, of the actual speech. Now what I want to do right now is to give you a score and then tell you what grade you'll get on this particular assignment. So if we go to the rubrics for the integrated here, I think with this one, probably your biggest issue is problems with your delivery, with pronunciation. I'd like to see you work on your tone more. I know that we're covering this in our class right now, but the bottom line is you are not varying your tone at all. You're speaking pretty much in the same tone. So you got to work on doing that more. So like we said in class, usually the last content word in a sentence typically will have a focus, and you want to put more stress and more tone on that. So that's just one thing you can think about. So anyway, go to my lessons on intonation. I think it's like lesson number 35, 36, 37, 38, and you can learn more about that. Now, but that's not all. That's not going to correct the problems. That makes you more aware of what the intonation patterns are in English, and you can practice, don't get me wrong. But more importantly, speak English as much as you can. At home, when you're out, watching movies, English, news in English. Do as much as you can in English, and this will have a very big impact on helping you gradually, slowly change your non-native speaker accent, and you will sound more like a natural speaker of American English. Alright, so right now, really the biggest issue here is delivery issues. So I'm going to put you at about 2.16 out of 4, or 17 points out of 30 on this particular practice test. Now for the purposes of our class, 2.16 is going to put you at 75% on this assignment.